Pro-level cooking, 10 restaurant kitchen hacks for an epic home chef experience. Life hack, experts understand. Discover chef-approved cooking hacks for speedy and delicious dishes by tapping into the secrets of culinary experts from around the country. Life hack, efficiently peel multiple hard-boiled eggs simultaneously. Make meal prepping simpler by adopting executive chef Yuji Iwakura's hack from Kamakura Restaurant in Boston, allowing you to effortlessly pre-peel eggs for breakfast or salads by shaking hard-boiled eggs in water-filled containers to easily remove shells. Life hack, quickly peel garlic. Achieve easy garlic peeling by soaking cloves in water overnight or, for quicker results, a few minutes, as recommended by executive chef Nicholas Pulmentis of Akatiri in Astoria, New York. Life hack, cool your plastic wrap. Chef Chaz Ike from the Salad House in Milburn, New Jersey recommends refrigerating plastic wrap to keep it smooth and prevent it from sticking, making it easier to use when covering food. Life hack, bake bacon in the oven. For a hassle-free brunch, Chef Nicole Guzman of the Hollywood Bowl suggests baking bacon on a cookie sheet at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes, providing a quicker and more even cooking alternative to frying. Life hack, use lemon to maintain cutting boards. To prevent odors and condition cutting boards, executive chef Ryan Keogh of Spentino Wine Bar Italian Tapas in Garden City, New York recommends rubbing coarse salt and half a lemon over them. Life hack, create your own creme fraiche at home. Executive chef Stuart Reb Donald of Bella Sarah Gardens in Loxley, Alabama recommends a quick creme fraiche substitute by combining equal parts sour cream and heavy cream, providing a speedy solution if you've run out of the original ingredient. Life hack, slice cheese neatly. Chef Omar Barkra of Andaz Mayakoba Resort in Riviera Maya, Mexico recommends achieving precise slices of soft cheese, such as goat cheese, by using a piece of taut thread or unflavored dental floss as an alternative for optimal results. Life hack, avoid tears while cutting onions. To prevent tears while chopping onions for holiday cooking, executive chef Jose Acardi of Diaz y Cis Club and Lania in Miami, Florida advises cutting off the ends, peeling, and soaking the onions in water for a few minutes, saving both time and discomfort in the kitchen. Life hack, slice cherry tomatoes simultaneously. Chef Kevin Stack from the Purple Pig in Chicago suggests a time-saving method for chopping cherry tomatoes. Place them on a small plate, cover with a larger plate, and, using a sharp knife, cut them all at once in a single motion. Life hack, use a plate to hone knife blades. For a quick knife sharpening at home, chefs Jeff Weiss and Paras Shah of Valencian Gold recommend using an upside-down plate, scraping the knife against the unglazed ceramic base at a slight angle, offering a temporary solution before a proper sharpening. Which hack did you like? If you know any good hacks, please share it in the comments.